Yeah, that's looking down into Guardian. This is near the head of the left side of what we call the Allen Hollow. It's pretty high up. I don't think there's any question that I've driven up to a mine that was shown on that LiDAR map. And right there's the U-shaped depression. You can see there's more coal scattered on the hillside still. I don't know if there's any holes up in there to probe, but we'll go check. I want to show you how close to the top we are here. We're in elevation maybe, judging by the size of these trees, 150 feet to 200 feet more. So it's pretty high up. Now how they got this down here or whether they pulled it up to the top, I have no idea. Now where that section of PVC pipe is on the device that I slide my camera into the mines, that would be about the level, floor level of the mine. I'm up about 6 or 7 feet here. It's kind of promising though. This is the rest of the part of my device. There's a hole here, goes down pretty far. I'll have to clear some leaves and things out to see if that does go down in the mine there. It's somewhat promising. Okay, I have a little bit better look at this hole now. And if you see that rock a little bit further down in there, that's probably where the actual ceiling of the mine is. So we're gonna have to slide the device that far. Okay, we're gonna try to squeeze the camera in here. That's still part of the facing above the opening here. Okay, right there's the ceiling. Like that. Okay, we're under the ceiling. Alright, there's a post right off to the right there. Oh, several posts on the right wall there. Wow, this is a relatively tall mine. I want to say 5 feet. I have this device about, let's see, about 10 feet, at least 10 feet in. I'm rotating it. You know, if that's the left wall there, right there's the back wall already. That's the right wall. I don't see any other changes. I just don't see anything. Looks like they went back about 20 feet from the opening and that was it. It's just like a rectangular mine here. Looks like they didn't run into any coal the way that back wall looks. That's some of the collapse that came in through the opening. A lot of work just to make a small mine like this. And clearly, I'm rotating this. That's not the way the mine looks. That's the left wall there. That post that you're looking at would actually be vertical. And right there's the back wall already. So there wasn't much to this mine. I'm rotating it as far to the right there, just to see if there's a chamber that way, but it doesn't look like it. Just some post up front. Well, this is one of the smaller mines. The most unusual thing is it's the height in there. Because again, I entered probably at about 8 feet above the floor of the mine here. And I'm at about a 45-degree angle going in with this 10-foot device right now, with the camera at the end of it. And I've gone down at least 3 or 4 feet. So, like I said, this is one of the taller mines. It's not deep at all. 4 to 5 feet is my estimate. I can't really tell. Just nothing distinct about this mine. It kind of looks like they just did not have any good coal here. That's why they quit. I was just trying to see if there's any possibility of a room to the right there, and I just don't see it. It's a bunch of posts right up front there. Coming back up to the ceiling. Right there. Yeah. As far as I put that in, that's easily up to 5 feet high in there. So they dug a pretty tall mine compared to a lot of these old house coal mines. Some of them were at best 3 to 4 feet. Again, we're just coming up in the rock facing right now. Just a little here. At about the center, if you look at the center of the video, do you see those little things hanging down from the ceiling? They're little gray bunches, not the roots hanging down. I'll put an arrow to where these are at right now. I think those are bats that had what's called the white nose syndrome. They got in there and got that and died. That cocoon forms around them. Then this mine kind of, well, for the most part it was sealed. The bats could easily still get in and out of this and other small animals. Yep, pretty sure those are bats right there. Looks like there's another one a little bit closer up here off to the right. If you see that one. So that's the only thing unique about this mine is some bats got in it and died.